Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite black screen problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, right click on Fortnite and then click properties. After that click compatibility and then enable those two options here, and first option make it for Windows 8, then run compatibility troubleshooter and then try recommended settings test program, and that's it. Now just uh, close it, and before that don't forget to click apply and OK, and that's it. Then click Windows Update Settings, check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you will find here, and after that restart your PC, and after restarting your PC right click on your desktop and click NVIDIA control panel, and then click use my preference and move it to performance, and then click apply, and after that your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.